Okie dokies. Somebody asked me, well, actually, a few people asked me to do a EDC update, so that is what I am going to do. Okie dokies. I just recently started carrying this knife, which is the Smith & Wesson Extreme Ops, which is actually a pretty nice knife. It flips open pretty easy. I like that. Hold an edge pretty well. Pretty easy to sharpen too, which I like. Just a great knife to have. I like it. I mean, it's light. I mean, if you really care about the weight of a knife, I mean, this is pretty light. I don't know how much it weighs, but it is pretty light. The steel on this knife, 440. Well, actually, it says, hold on, let me see. I don't know if you can see. It says titanium 440 steel, which I don't know what the hell that means. I mean, obviously the blade isn't made of titanium. Well, I kind of doubt it. But no, it's pretty nice. I like it. That's one of the knives that I carry on a daily basis. I also carry, of course, my trusty old K-bar Warthog. Love this thing. Blade's kind of dirty. I didn't clean it. Been using it a lot. I've been carrying this knife for about 2 years, I think. Hold an edge pretty well. Sharpens pretty easy. It's probably about time I buy a new K-bar Warthog, because this one's wearing out a lot. I mean, you can see I put this thing through hell. I mean, I fucking open cans with this. I cut with it. Wow. Every single day, this thing is in my pocket. You know, every single day. For 2 years. Got a lot of use out of it. Love that knife. I also carry a little flashlight. This is the Meritech AA flashlight. Love this flashlight. However, recently, and by recently I mean the past, say 3 weeks or so, I've been having a little bit of trouble with it. And the trouble I've been having with it is it turns on, see, but sometimes it doesn't want to turn off. I turn it. Oh, look, because I have the fucking camera on, it's going to turn off. But no, sometimes I turn it on, and it... Come on. You ass! There we go. See? You can turn it, 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 and it won't go off. See? Motherfucker. See, you can't turn it any more than that, because look. I've tried everything. I tried putting a AAA battery in there, which works fine, actually. I mean, the AAA battery cuts down on the weight a little bit, which, again, does... Motherfucker. Shut off. Which, you know, if you care about weight, you can use a AAA battery with the AA flashlight, and it works just fine. However, you're going to get the AAA battery life out of it, which is, well, I forget, but it's not as good as the AA flashlight times. Anyway, I still like this flashlight. I love it. I carry an extra battery in this other pocket. Let me get that out. Because obviously it turns on in my pocket sometimes, so when I need a flashlight, I need a flashlight. And if the battery's dead, guess what? I have an extra. We're good to go. Okay, and I also carry a fire steel. Actually got this from, I forget what site I got it from, but you go to Cutlery Lover's video, and he has a video on the same exact fire steel. I think it's called the Aurora Fire Steel or something like that. It's pretty good. I don't know why mine's discolored like that. It's like all green and shit. I don't know what the fuck happened to it. But no, it works great. Love that. Oh, you can put it on a keychain if you want. It has a little hole here. Love it. What else? I got pockets. Oh, I carry this knife as well. My K-Bar Mule. This up. Got a piece of lint in here. Look at this. Pocket lint. Shit. Anyway, I carry this in my pocket. Loosely in my pocket, because guess what happened? The goddamn clip broke off. I lost the screws, so I can't put the clip back on. In fact, I think I lost the clip too. I have no idea where the fuck I put the clip. So I have to carry them inside my pocket loosely, but you know, at least I have it on me, I guess. Whatever. Very sharp. Very sharp. Locks up pretty well. You can hear it. Love it. Anyway, that's what I carry. Do I have anything else? No, that's it for my EDC. And this is not part of my EDC. I'm just drinking that right now. The reason I don't have a gun in my EDC is because I don't carry a gun every single day, because I'm not insane. Alright? Not that it's insane to carry a gun every single day. I know plenty of people that carry guns every single day. But for me, I don't really see much of a point in carrying a gun every single day. I mean, sure, you can say, well, you know, it's better to have it than, you know, it's better to have it and not need it than to need it and not have it. That's true, but you see, I don't really go out every single day. I don't know. I mean, if I'm going somewhere, like camping or hiking, or, you know, if I'm going to be walking on a back road somewhere, or I'm, you know, going to be somewhere, whatever, then yeah, I'll carry either my, well, actually, more times than not, I'm going to be carrying my 357 Magnum, Model 66, Taurus. Get out of here, you fucking fly. God, I fucking hate summer. When the summer comes, the fucking flies come, and fucking pains in the ass. Anyway, when I carry a gun, it's most often the 357 Magnum is the gun I'm most comfortable with. Occasionally, I will carry my 1911, sometimes my 9mm, sometimes my 22. No, I'm just kidding. Sometimes my shotgun. No. That's about it for this video, I guess. I don't know what the hell else to say. We got the K-Bar Mule. We got the Smith & Wesson Extreme Ops. We got the Warthog. We got the Meritech AA. We got the Fire Steel. We got an extra. Oh yeah, that's nice. Go down the street on a motorcycle at 400 miles per hour. What a douchebag. Anyway, got an extra battery for the Meritech. And as I said, AAA batteries work just fine in the AA flashlight, if you want to do that. This video is way too long for what it is, and I do apologize. Oh, and for all the people that thought I was dead because I haven't been online for like 2 weeks, my internet was down, so I'm back. For those of you who care. So, alright, that's it.